Today we will discuss about order of operations. The order in which mathematical operations are performed. Using parentheses, brackets, or braces to evaluate expressions. Lesson objective. You will be able to use parentheses, brackets, or braces in numerical expressions when using order of operations to evaluate expressions. Order of operations. Numerical expressions must be solved using order of operations. Grouping symbols. Work from the inside out. Exponents. Evaluate powers. Multiply and divide. Work from left to right. Subtract and add. Work from left to right. Each step must be followed, working left to right. Step 1. Grouping symbols. Work from the inside out. 1. Solve all numerical expressions inside parentheses. 2. Solve all numerical expressions inside brackets. 3. Solve all numerical expressions inside braces. Step 2. Exponents. Evaluate the powers of any exponents in the equation. Examples. 3 square is equal to 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. 4 cube is equal to 4 multiply 4 is equal to 64. Step 3. Multiply plus divide. Complete all multiplication and division in the equation working from left to right. Step 4. Subtract plus add. Complete all subtraction and addition in the equation working from left to right. Now we will discuss the example. 72 minus 2 4, 10 to 3, plus 2. 72 minus 2 4, 7, plus 2. 72 minus 2 28 plus 2. 72 minus 2 30. 72 minus 60. 12. Step 1, solve operations within the parentheses. Step 2, solve operations within the brackets completing multiplication and then addition. Step 3, solve operations within the braces. Step 4, solve remaining operations from left to right. Now we will discuss the practice question. The question I given you are your homework. So practice all these questions. And tell me in comment section. I give you the answers of these questions. 164. 255. 37. 466. Thanks for watching my video.